Okay, this is a video on how to assemble the PS3 controller so you can install buttons. Okay, so first you will need this. This will allow you to take the 5 screws situated on the back. Just remove these screws. I have already done this to make it a bit faster. And after that there'll be a small clip there. Push this in, now open it up. Then you need to pry it a bit, and it just simply should slide off. If these come off, they're easy enough to put back on. Which you probably will with me. There you go, so they came off, that's fine. Then you need to remove the battery. This fits quite fiddly, as I have quite big fingers. So you here. Do not put on the wires. If you break the wires, then you'll have to replace the whole thing, which can normally cost about £10 or maybe $15. Okay, it's just a little clip here that needs to come out. Finally, giving a little wiggle helps. There you go, that's the battery removed. And after that, you want to make sure you use your Phillips again. And there'll be a small screw there. Make sure you remove this screw, because if you try and take the circuit board out, you'll just snap it. So you remove this screw. Make sure you put the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them, and make sure you remember which one's which. You don't want to confuse the screws. Okay, now you've done that, there will be, so if I didn't put it to the camera properly, make sure that screw will be right there. There will be clips situated here, here, here and here. Right, so on each side of the run patch you want to make sure you unclip those by just simply, there's a little catch, just push that forward with a maybe a flat head. I find it makes it easiest. Just push that like so, and there you go, it's all unclipped. Then you just simply remove the circuit board like so, or you could just leave it in and remove the whole lot. Now you just simply pull up, put yourself back in. Right, it all just simply comes out like so. Now make sure not to lose anything inside here. So you want to say remove this plastic underneath. There will be your Dpad. So just place your new Dpad, or if you want to place your old one in, put it in like so. Any buttons, right, there we have these things here. So for this model, which is their new controller, if you have old controllers, there'll be little clips here, just make sure not to lose them. Here is the stuff, so just on the middle button, you have, there's your middle button there, so you get a modified one of those, which I'll be getting soon. And there's your start and pause button, which quite simply places in there. Now, these buttons are a bit different, they're not all in one bulk, they're just separate buttons. So you need to go in, make sure you put them in the right hole, so square, triangle, square and X, you know. I said square twice, but you know, never mind. So they just simply keep twisting them until they, you know, fall into the right bit. So there you go. And just place things back on. Which is quite simple like that. Now I'll make a separate video showing how to put it back together. But until now, thanks for watching.